Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Listen, before going further, please drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there if you're brand new. Oh boy, here we go again, people. Here we go again. I don't know if you guys remember, but last time we spoke about Manchester United's team, about the players that Manchester United has. We spoke about CASEMIRO being injured. Not injured, sorry. He's not injured. No. He was freaking suspended by the referee for a tackle that wasn't even a tackle, fam. The man won the ball, fam. He won the... Yeah. So CASEMIRO not playing. For 4 games, he's not playing. He missed the last game. He's going to miss 3 more. He missed the last game, and he's going to miss 3 more. Which means that at our disposal right now, we have Fred, McTominay, and SABITZER. 2 of those 3 has to play. Why? Because one like a waste man from Reading, one like a tall waste man who used to play for Liverpool from Reading, injured Ericsson, mash up the man ankle. He's gonna be back until maybe midway next week. Midweek. Maybe mid-month next month. So we have Fred, McTominay, and SABITZER. Yeah. We have Fred, McTominay, and SABITZER. Fred is resting. He's resting well for the past 2 weeks. Wasn't playing. He wasn't called up for the Brazilian team. So he's not playing in the friendlies. That's good. He's rested. Him and his family. McTominay is playing. He scored 2 goals, in fact, in 1 game. Surprise, right? Yeah, McTominay is playing, did well, so he should be good and back for next game. But Ralph Regit Rangnick, motherfucking Rangnick, the man that brought Manchester United to the worst league finish ever last year, or helped, because so I was a part of that, just came out today and tell me that SABITZER is injured. If you guys are not aware, Ralph Regit Rangnick is the Austrian head coach, and he's going to tell me that SABITZER is injured. No, I thought the last game that they played, SABITZER scored 2 goals, and they took him off about 75-80 minutes. I thought that substitution was a precaution because, you have to rest him up for the next game. But no, this man come out and said this man come out and said SABITZER is injured, Parry. Injured, pain in his knee. How the fuck is it pain in his knee? But today, he's on the bench. If he's injured, why is he on the fucking bench, fam? What the heck is going on with Rangnick? He's on the bench. So if he's good enough to be on the bench, I mean, he's good enough to play. Is he injured or is he not? What are you trying to tell me, Rangnick? Because I'm going to tell you right now. I'm telling you right now, Manchester United fans are worried. I don't want to go back to see McTominay and Fred. The midfield. I am worried, fam. And you're not helping the situation by telling me that, yes, he's injured with knee pain. That's why we take him off last game. But today he's good and he's on the bench. What are you doing, fam? Right now you have Manchester United fans hyperventilating right now, fam. You have our heads spinning around and round and round, fam. You can't do that type of stuff with my heart. You cannot do that type of stuff with my heart. Okay? You cannot do that type of stuff with my heart. Me already have a stroke. Leave me alone, fam. Leave me alone. Please. Please tell me that you're not fucking with me right now, Rangnick. Please tell me that you are not fucking with me right now. Listen, Manchester United next couple of games. See? Our next game is on Sunday against Newcastle. At Newcastle. Perennially the toughest game our season. Well, not the toughest, but you know the game is hard. And then we have Brentford. Yeah, the same Brentford will beat we. First game I see the Bedford beat me. We are play them. Ragnick can't kill me. And then we have Everton. Everton we beat the 4 of last year. Yeah! What are you doing to me, Ragnick? What are you doing to me right now? Either the man injured or is not. Either the man injured or is not. I cannot play those type of games, fam. I cannot play those type of games. Me head a hot me. Me head a hot me. Me head a hot me. Me head a blood clad hot me. People. Bless up yourself. Bless up others. Don't want to see my company or Fred. Manaz.